Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. For today's video, we've got a couple of exciting parcels for my EP3 Type R. Okay, let's unbox these modifications together. I'm going to start off with the smaller ones. Now these are just Amazon ones. There is a couple of bits that I've needed, so I thought I'd just add them into this video because it just makes more sense. They don't need a full video. So the first one we've got is this little package. I'm trying to figure out what it is. I've completely forgot. I think always come on out. There we go. Okay, these are reverse bulbs. The ones I've got in the minute are very dull, so I thought I'd upgrade them. They're such a cheap mod, but they're something that makes a massive difference. So we've got some new reverse lights. Then let's see what else we've got. Another Amazon parcel. This also just helps as well if you're getting an EP3 for the first time. These are such easy, cheap mods to just chuck on your car. Why do I have to open it the most stupid way? Right, let's try that again. Oh my god, look how I've opened this. Right. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see them. These are Honda Jazz washer jets. If you watched the video on the carbon bonnet, you'll know that we had to grind back the washers because to fit them in the carbon, and then I sold the carbon with the washers in. So I've got no washer jets at the moment. These are Honda Jazz ones. Now, these actually spray. I'm going to have to show you. But these spray and they're a lot better than the actual EP3 ones. So we're going to fit them. I mean, these are a necessity. It's not really a mod, but it's just one of them that you need. And this is a modification from Torque GT. Now this, inside here, is actually Spoon Sports. Right, I'm just going to unbox this because I don't know whether scissors are going to get me banned from YouTube or something. Actually, I don't think I need any. I'm too strong. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. I'll show you what they are, if you can't already guess. Let's get these out. I've wanted these for so long. Oh my god. Oh, they're so pretty. It literally says Spoon Sports at the bottom. So if you don't actually know, this is wing mirror glass, and they are tinted blue. And I don't know why, but I've wanted them for so long. Our friend actually has a JDM EP3, and I saw him at the weekend, and his JDM one had them, and I was like, I'm sold. I am literally sold. I'm going to show how to fit these correctly and obviously show you what they look like when they're on. But this is something I've been so excited for. I've wanted them for the longest time. So let's stop getting so excited maybe and fit them to the car. Okay, so as you can see here, the reverse light bulbs are very dull and just OEM, and I just wanted something a little bit brighter. Okay, so simply find the reverse bulb light, twist the casing to the left, and then twist the bulb again out to the left, and it will come straight out. This is such a simple thing to do. Okay, so the next step to this is to get your upgraded bulb, pop it back into the casing and twist it right, and then pop it back into the light itself, twisting it right again, and just make sure it's safe and secure. I did this on my own for the first time, so I'm sure you can do it too. Okay, so here we have the upgraded bulbs. They are so much brighter and make such a difference. I'm really happy with these. Okay, so first, of course, you're going to need your new washer jets. And then what I'm doing after that is feeding the washer pipe through the holes, ready to put the washer jets in. Okay, then all I'm doing is just securing the jets into the top of the pipe and placing them into the hole securely, which they fit absolutely perfect to say they're not an OEM part. They literally fit perfectly. Right, I'm going to top up my washer fluid and we're going to test these. Right, I've got a bit of water to test these because I have no washer fluid ever. Okay, so now we're gonna fit the last and the most exciting mod. I've left this one in the wrapper so I know which one's which, because you guys know what I'm like. So let's clean the mirror and then fit these. I am so excited for these. Okay, so to clean my mirrors, I'm gonna be using this and just a microfiber. Okay, so the next step is just to double side this mirror up so we can stick it on. So 3M tape comes with the mirrors, so I'm going to apply that now and then pop the mirror onto the existing glass. I think that might be enough. Right, let's take the sticker off. Okay, so finally got all the tape off the back and now it's time to stick it to the car. Okay, so the key thing to these mirrors are only apply pressure where you've put the tape on the back. They can break if you do push just onto the glass, so remember just to push down where you've applied that tape. So I think I'm going to be able to get a better angle from inside the car with the window down. Let's give it a go. Oh my god, that is perfect. I've literally smashed it. Oh sugar, that's okay, that's just... So I'm just applying pressure where that tape is. The wing mirror is moving, which just scared the life out of me. Okay, so this one is on. I've missed a tiny little bit in the left hand corner, but apart from that it's pretty perfect. I'm not sure if you can tell how tinted blue it is, but that looks so much better, especially with the little Spoon Sports logo. But yeah, do you know what, I absolutely love them. Basically they can break pretty easily, so it is really important to only apply pressure where you have put the tape. But yeah, I'm really happy. I'm going to do the other one off camera just so I can proper concentrate. But a massive thank you to Talk GT for sending these out for me. They've made a massive I really do love them. Okay, so the mirrors are all on. I am so happy with them. A massive thank you again to Talk GT for sending these out. They look amazing and they've made such a difference. Okay, that is it for today's video, guys. I really enjoyed making this video. It just goes to show you don't have to spend loads to do little bits to your car that make a difference, I suppose. Comment down below if you have any other ideas for my EP3 Type R, because I'm not sure what else to do to it. We've got a new car on the way, so there's some really exciting content coming. But as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do leave a like, comment and subscribe if you did enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.